Civil engineering.
Civil engineering is the oldest engineering field. Civil engineering includes the planning, design, construction, maintenance, and operation of the infrastructure that surrounds us and is the underpinning of our society. Our infrastructure includes roads, airports, railroads, buildings, bridges, water and wastewater treatment plants, sewers, drainage, flood control, water supply, landfills, and many other facilities. Most everything civil engineers do affects our daily lives in many ways. The area of civil engineering includes water treatment plants, network of pipes, sewer and wastewater treatment plants, roads and bridges, the structure or skeleton of the building, as well as its foundation, even the transmission lines, sanitary landfills. There are many more such examples of how civil engineering is involved in our daily lives. In general, engineers are people who enjoy the challenge of solving problems, who like to do things rather than just talk about them. They want to be part of the solution and enjoy working with people as part of a team. For starters, an aptitude for math and science is helpful, but just as important is an ability to work with other people, to speak and write well, and to demonstrate leadership skills. Civil engineers work in teams with other engineers, technicians, and office staff. They may also work with economists, social scientists, geologists, biologists, chemists, and many other professionals. Civil engineers work with the public to a much greater degree than any other type of engineer. Many projects are publicly funded and require public input, such as meetings and hearings. This means the engineer must learn to clearly communicate technical information to clients and the public, learn to think on her feet and keep cool under pressure. Most civil engineers work for consulting firms, which design projects and produce plans and specifications for building them, or government agencies, ranging from cities to the federal government. Some might join the military or work for manufacturers, such as pump, pipe, or steel building manufacturers. Initially in their careers, most civil engineers work on design, but generally, as they gain more responsibility, they manage projects and do little engineering design. Other areas in which civil engineers work include sales, teaching, and research. There are numerous branches to civil engineering and a wide range of specialties. Some civil engineers focus on the conception and initial design of a project, analyzing the site, the needs, and the resources to come up with a workable project plan. Others specialize in contracting, physically building the structure, managing the site crew, and handling materials and supply. In other cases, civil engineers focus on maintenance of the project after it is completed, to make sure that it is safe and useful. Most people pick a civil engineering focus while they are receiving an education. Engineers who focus on transportation, for example, might choose to specialize in building bridges, tunnels, and roads. Others might lean towards power generation facilities, water treatment, waste management, construction of light railways and subways, or numerous other disciplines. In all cases, extensive training is undertaken so that the prospective civil engineer understands his or her chosen field in depth. Behind every major public work is a team of civil engineers. One of the primary concerns of civil engineering is public safety and health. A value is also placed on building structures that are functional, efficient, and also aesthetically pleasing. Structural soundness, conformity with local codes, and functionality are all issues that are faced in the discipline of civil engineering.